皆さんこんにちは。Welcome to my channel. So today I gonna make a koshiyang, which is an essential ingredient for Japanese sweets. So koshiyang is a paste by boiling and kneading azuki beans and then adding sugar to sweeten it. So it can be eaten on its own, or with mochi, or with butter on bread. There are many ways to eat it. So I hope this helps you to get to know Japanese sweets. So okay, let's get started.
So you only need 4 ingredients to make koshiyang. So it's best to use a homemade anko as soon as possible, within 3 days if possible. So this is because the water in the red kidney beans will spoil them. If you can't use them up, I recommend keeping them in small portion in the freezer. So they will keep for about 2 months. So okay, first add all the red kidney beans to the pot without draining them. So next add 100 ml of water. And then 5 tablespoons of sugar. So and then toss together well. So and then make it in a paste with the hand blender. Normally you have to boil the red kidney beans and then strain them, but I'm lazy, so I make it the easy way. If you boil down the red kidney beans without making a paste from here, you can make a tsubuan instead of koshiyang. So, to be honest, I should have made it smoother, but this is the best I could do. So, it's a far from the ideal koshiyang, but it's not too bad for me. So, okay, next. So, the next step is to boil and simmer. Set the heat to medium-low at first and bring to the boil. Then turn the heat down to low and simmer for about 20 minutes or until it's like a consistency of peanut butter. So reduce the heat to low and bring to a simmer. It's easy to burn because of the sugar, so please keep stirring. So and then also the paste may splatter when you are stirring, so please be careful not to burn yourself.
More してきた。15分経過。Okay, 20 minutes has passed.
So finish with a sprinkle of salt.
Koshiyang 完成です。美味しそう。
So and then transfer to a baking tray and let it cool for about 10 minutes. So okay, once the dough is cooled, transfer it to a plastic container. Hi, the homemade koshiyang is ready. So, and then I've just remembered popular anime Doraemon's favorite sweet dorayaki are also made with this paste. So this is a koshiyang has been loved in Japan for over 300 years.
Hi, okay, thank you for watching guys, and next time I will make something sweet using this koshiyang. So okay, thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!